In this case, the victim suffer from various diseases due to weakening of natural immunity. AIDS cannot be confirmed without test in medical laboratory. ELISA test is used for confirmation of the AIDS. ELISA. ELISA test is used for confirmation of the AIDS diseases, and the symptoms of AIDS can be changes from person to person. Dear student, we must remember that AIDS cannot spread by touching to the infected person. AIDS, AIDS cannot be spread by sharing the food with infected person. AIDS cannot be spread by nursing the infected person, and hence our behavior with infected person must be normal because it is a humanity. This is all about AIDS, and now we learn about the second disease, which name is rabies. Dear student, is there any effect of pet animals on our health? Why it is necessary to take care about the pet animals? Yes, it is very necessary to take care about the health of pet animals like dogs and cats, because of them, because of animals, many diseases are spread. Rabies is also spread by the animals. Dear friends, rabies is a viral disease. Rabies is a viral disease, and it can spread by the bite of animals like dog, cat, rabbit, and monkey. The virus of these diseases can enter in our body through the nervous tissues, through the neurons. Hydrophobia. Hydrophobia is the main or characteristic symptoms of this disease. In this case, the person has fear from water. Rabies is a fatal disease. It can cause death of the person, and the fatality can be prevented by the vaccination. The symptoms of this disease appears after the biting of dog about 90 to 175 days. The symptoms start to appear after 90 to 175 days after the dog bite. And what are the symptoms of this disease? Number 1, fever for 2 to 12 weeks. Here or fever for 2 to 12 weeks. Number 2, the exaggeration in the behavior. Fear from water, hydrophobia, is the main symptoms of this disease, and the symptoms of this disease can appear to 90 to 175 days after the dog bite. Then which preventive measures are done to take care from rabies? Then the bite or the wound should wash with plenty of water. Take a medical treatment. By doing these activities, we can prevent this disease. Thank you.